Everybody's got a thing or two on their mind. It's about time you heard mine.
Hey, it's Ryan Stewman here, and welcome to this week's edition of Ryan's Rants. You know, what I was thinking about this week is a lot of people say, hey, Ryan, with your post-fuser product, man, 5 times a day, that's an awful lot to be posting in today's society of social media. I don't want to blow up somebody's newsfeed. Well, first of all, hell yeah, you always want to blow up somebody's newsfeed. The more sets of eyes that you can get looking at you is always better. Good publicity, bad publicity, publicity is publicity. But second of all, you need to post 5 times a day, and here's why. Facebook has 900 million users that are spending at least, the average user spends at least a half an hour on Facebook. So you've got 900 million people, a half an hour a day. You've got to make some noise to stand out. See, 3 or 4 years ago, if you posted 5 times a day, it would be highly annoying, and you would stand out, and you would totally dominate somebody's newsfeed. But think, you've been growing your friend base for the last 3 years. You've been growing the people that you know, adding to your network, connecting, adding new people. So now Facebook's added the sidebar of doom, as I refer to it here at Hardcore Closer. So you've got to post to stand out. There's 5 key times that you've got to post to stand out. When someone wakes up in the morning, right? After the morning coffee, when someone gets to work, when someone's gone on their lunch, when someone arrives back the mid-afternoon break, and before they go to sleep. And we give you, that you get a chance to be in front of every single day if you're posting consistently like that. Tell me that there's no power in social media when you're doing it on a mass level like that. You get a chance for the exposure. So you've got to stand out amongst the noise. So my rant is for you this week that 5 times is the least. You need to check in. You need to be as busy as you can on social media unless you're running from the law. And then you probably shouldn't use social media at all. So other than that, you should really be on there and be busy at it and be good at it. But if you're not good at it, then holler at me. I can help you with that. So, hey, catch you next week. Make sure you share this with all your friends. Come back here and visit us on Monday when we start the technology version of our Hardcore Closer website. You can also sign up on your left-hand side over there. Put in Get Free 7 videos that don't suck. That'll also put you in contact with me to where you get updates when we send stuff out from the blog. Hey, catch you on Monday. Later.